Okay, so here's a little intro that I'm going to do to show you how you find a vertex when you're factoring these. So again, the first thing we want to do, make our generic rectangle, x squared 10x. So this multiplies, so we do our triangle, so we get 10x. I mean, this should be just 10, sorry. That should be just 10. Okay, should be just 10. So we get 10x squared to add to negative 7x. So that's negative 2x and negative 5x. So there's negative 2x, negative 5x. Remember, you got to play where those are. So I'm going to go x and x, minus 2, minus 5. So I get x minus 2 times x minus 5 is equal to 0. So again, to find our x-intercepts are our roots. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. Add 2 to both sides. X is equal to 2. Add 5 to both sides. X is equal to 5. Now these are x-intercepts, also going to be called roots. Then we want to find our vertex. Our vertex. Okay? So we want to find our line of symmetry. So that's between 2 and 5. So which is actually 3.5. Okay, line of symmetry is 3.5. Or 7 halves. Okay? And what happens is, this becomes our x value in our vertex. Vertex is 3.5. We want to plug that back in to our original equation. Okay? So you're going to go 3.5 squared minus 7 times 3.5 plus 10. You get negative 2.25. So your vertex is going to be at 3.5, negative 2.25. So all I did there was take 7 halves and plug it into the original equations. So 3.5 or 3.5 squared minus 7 times 3.5 plus 10 equals negative 2.25, which is your y coordinate. So we get a vertex of that. And today you're going to be working on those. So classwork today, 76 to 81. I'll go through that here in a little bit.